Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is "Guy Has Meltdown at the Mall, Ends Badly." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
This is why grabbing a cop's gun is never the answer to your problems.
We had a individual on the property, black male, tall, slender, made contact with him because he had a bottle of alcohol and he had a marijuana joint in his mouth. So he was advised that he cannot have the alcohol and he cannot have the joint on the property. But he proceeded to light the joint in front of me and smoke it, turned and walked off, telling me, "You're not the police," and he just kept on walking. So at that point, I called for the officer on duty to help assist with the situation. So as Officer Bryant made contact with him, which he was trying to talk to him, he grabbed his wrist.
Who grabbed
Officer Bryant grabbed his wrist to talk to him, to stop him, talk to him.
He grabbed the suspect's name?
Yeah.
The suspect's wrist?
Right.
Okay.
He grabbed him like this and he said, "Hey, come here to talk to him." But at that point, I guess by him grabbing his wrist, he started resisting and tried to fight with Officer Bryant.
Okay. Can you be more descriptive when you say tried to fight? Can you tell me what he was doing?
He was pretty much like he was resisting, like trying to pull away and all of that stuff. And that's what I mean by trying to fight with him.
Okay. Did you see him grab the officer?
He grabbed Officer Bryant's vest.
He did?
Yes.
Okay.
And Officer Bryant kept saying, "Let go of my vest. Let go of my vest," but he wouldn't let go of it.
Okay.
So Officer Bryant, he was like, call for help.
Yeah.
And I called for Officer Blake, but Officer Blake was in the middle of something, but I was like, Officer Bryant need help.
Okay.
So that's when I started hearing all the police cars and all that stuff.
Okay. What else did you see after that?
He was pretty much trying to get him to get on the ground. He was like, "Put your hands behind your back," but the guy refused. He just kept fighting,
Okay.
and all that stuff. But I saw when Officer Dina came, she was trying to help get him down on the ground. And then that's when I seen Officer Blake run up, and Officer Blake had tased him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's when he complied.
After the tasing?
After the tasing, that's when he complied. He rolled over and, put his hands behind his back.
Okay. So after the tasing, he finally complied with the officer's commands?
Yeah.
Up until that, he had not complied?
He did not comply. He was really failing to
So he was resisting and...
Yeah, because a lot of suspects, man, they do what they want till they get hit with that act right. That's what I'm Listen, once you get hit with that act right, you gonna get in line. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's they kind of try to do what they want to do. Yada. Look, once you get hit with, and there's several forms of act right. You know what I'm saying? And everyone acts differently to each form. But eventually, we gonna get there, man. We gonna get there, and you gonna act right.
And holding on to the officer's
right.
vest. Okay.
He wouldn't let go of his vest.
Okay.
And the only way he let go was when Officer Dina came.
Okay.
That's when he let go of Officer Bryant's vest. He wouldn't let go of it.
Okay. And at this point, obviously, you guys wanted him off the property.
Yeah, we just simply wanted him off the property, but he was giving us a hard time the entire time. Both Officer Bryant and Blake was in the middle of dealing with another situation over.
Yeah, they had another arrest.
Right.
Yep.
So, this guy, he was being really like, "You're not the police, you're not the police, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do that." He was just really giving us a hard time.
Okay. All right. And as your wish, as a representative of your security company, did you want the suspect, I don't know his name yet, but did you want him trespassed off the property?
I did request that I would like to have him trespass.
Okay.
Once they made contact with him, I just wanted him trespass from the property.
Okay.
Because this is not the first.
Well, he's under arrest now, but you still want him trespass, right? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
He said he was doing his round, he was walking around, and then he saw the customer. He called him as customer because at the time he didn't know anything different. He said he saw him park his bicycle next to the window, and he told him he cannot park his bicycle in the window because it's dangerous. The bike could just fall in and hit the window. And he said the guy told him, "Just give me 1 minute, I'm just gonna go inside real quick and grab something, come right back."
Okay.
ground.
He
said after he told him that, he listened, he took the bike and removed it from the glass and then went and parked it next to the wall. Because he said 1 minute he was just gonna go grab something real quick and then come right back out. He said he just stand around and then looking at him because at the time he was treating him as a customer because there was nothing that said he was gonna steal anything. He was just watching him because he told him he was just gonna be in and out for just 1 minute. He said the lady came over and then the lady told him that he has to move his bicycle right now.
The female security.
The female security.
Okay.
And the female told him that she's the supervisor. She's telling him that he has to leave, but he needs to leave right now. And then he's saying the suspect told the female security that this Pierre Richard already allowed me to be here for like 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute and I'll be right out.
So 1 minute talking up.
He said throughout the whole minute, he stayed within the distance. He wasn't close to him. He just stayed far within the distance, just keep an eye on him.
Ask him when did they decide that he needed to leave, and when did he see the open bottle of alcohol and all that? Like when did that happen?
À qui lè ou te décidé pour déplacer et dans quel moment ou te ouais te gon bouteille alcool qui ouvert? He's saying he only saw the bottle on the bicycle, but he never saw the bottle open, or no, he didn't see him drinking it.
Okay. And then tell him to get to the interaction between the police officers and the suspect.
He's saying the officer came to the guy a little bit aggressive, and when the officer came, he tried to put him in handcuff, and the guy was resisting, and during the resisting, that's when he was trying to take him down.
Okay, just explain how the guy resisted, if you can.
Okay, he's saying that he was like on a corner. The officer would try to grab his hand. He didn't want to give up his hand. He would try to put his hand towards the front, and he was trying to hide his body like on the corner. And he never want to put his hand out. He's saying that the guy kept telling the officer that stop. He's gonna leave. He's gonna leave.
The guy keep telling.
The suspect keep telling the officer he don't need to put him in.
But was he like pulling away? Was he trying to like not cooperative? Was he listening to commands?
He's saying that the whole time the officer would try to handcuff them, he didn't want the officer to handcuff them, and they keep on pulling away, try to say stop. He's gonna try to act like he was fighting. He didn't want the guy to be handcuffed.
Okay.
Yeah. So if they're asking you to leave, why are you not leaving?
I'm not leaving that way because I'm afraid they might do something to me.
You walked around the whole mall. You're playing games.
Because I was shopping. I went into the watch store.
You're not shopping
and
when you're asked to
meeting
leave.
somebody. Yeah.
And you said they're smoking weed. You're not supposed to.
I didn't smoke no weed.
So
I'm
leave.
going to continue to leave. I'm already leaving. See, Brian?
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
You can't arrest me. I didn't do nothing. Probably.
You resisted? Okay.
That's why you have an open container?
No, I don't have open container. I didn't open it here.
What is that?
Let me go. I'm leaving.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not going to jail.
Put
no.
your hands behind your back.
No, you can't do that to me. No. I'm not leaving. Stop, man.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop. I'm not getting arrested. I'm leaving. Let me go, man, so I can go home. I just
Put your
left
hands
Chase,
behind your
man.
back.
Move,
Oh,
I
you
just
ain't
left
going
Chase.
home.
No, I'm not. I didn't do anything legal. You just walked up. You can't do nothing to me. Let me go.
Put your hands
You
behind
just
your
left
go.
Chase.
Let me go.
You know they was doing
me
that
go,
fraud
man.
in Chase now.
back. Put your hands
Let
behind
me
your
go,
back.
man, so I can
Now.
go home. Nope, I came to shop. Stop. Man, you better stop touching me, man. This is a
Put
wrap.
your hands behind your back.
Stop touching me.
Put your
Man,
hands
stop
behind
fucking
your
with my earring. Move, man. Move. This is harassment. Can somebody record this? You can't just come in and take me. Move. I didn't do anything. Move. Move. Move.
Why the security guard not
I want
helping
to see
us?
Flagler, man. Move. Move. And do anything illegal, and I was shot.
Get on the ground.
Nope. He just hit me in my face twice. Yo, who's recording it?
Get on the
He
ground.
just punched me twice. Who's recording it? He trying to kill me. He want me to hurt him.
Get on the ground.
Yo, everyone just seen that. I'm not arrested. I didn't do anything. It's recorded. I have money.
Get on the ground.
I didn't do anything. I'm not arrested. Send help. They trying to kill me.
Let go of my vest.
Send help. They trying to kill me. Send help. They trying to kill me.
Hit him with that act
man.
right. Yeah, hit him with that act right. Yes, sir.
Why'd y'all do that?
Yes, sir.
Give me your fucking
Why'd
hand.
y'all do that?
Oh
man?
yeah, you gonna act right now? Oh yeah. Oh, you got your shit together now,
I didn't do
boy.
anything, man.
Yes, sir.
I got it.
He was charged with disorderly intoxication, trespassing, obstructing police, and resisting an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.